Okay, children, let's look into the problems. Given the following data, using the income method, calculate net domestic income, gross domestic income, net national income, and net national product at market price. Okay, so the items are indirect taxes, subsidies, depreciation, mixed income of self-employed, operating surplus, net factor income from abroad, and compensation of employees. Okay, now you're supposed to calculate net domestic income, and that is nothing but net domestic income through income method. Okay, we are supposed to add up all the factor incomes. So here you're going to add mixed income of self-employed, which is 28,000, operating surplus 10,000, and compensation of employees. You're not going to take indirect taxes and subsidies because we are calculating only domestic income. Depreciation will not be there because we are calculating net, and net factor income from abroad will only be included when we calculate national income. Okay, so only the factor income will be taken here for net domestic income, and you're going to get 62,000 crores. Now you are supposed to calculate gross domestic income, the second one. Now you're going to take depreciation. When you add depreciation to net domestic income, it becomes gross, right? So net domestic income plus depreciation, so 62,000 plus 1,700, you're going to get 63,700. That becomes your gross domestic income, right? Now the next they are asking you to calculate is net national income. So net national income is nothing but net domestic income plus net income, factor income from abroad. You get national income. So net domestic income, which you have already calculated, adding all the factor income is 62,000, and net factor income from abroad is given as 300 minus 300. Okay, so you add the net factor income from abroad. Since it is minus, so that means we are supposed to give them, so it becomes plus, and minus becomes minus. So 62,000 crores minus 300 crores will become 61,700. That becomes your net national income. Now the next they are asking you to calculate is net national product at market price. Now here you're going to take indirect taxes and subsidies into consideration. So net national income, which you have calculated, 61,700 plus indirect taxes minus subsidies. Okay, so 61,700 plus 9,000 minus 1,800, that becomes 68,900 crores. This is your net national product at market price. Okay, so this is how you calculate your problem under income method. Okay, now let's look at the next problem, children. The following information is available for an economy. On the basis of this information, using income method, calculate domestic income and national income. Now these are the wages, rent, interest, dividend, mixed income, undistributed profit, social security contribution, corporation tax. All these are the items. So all these added together will become domestic income, and if you add net factor income from abroad, that will become your national income. So when you calculate the domestic income, they are asking you to calculate domestic and national income. Domestic income is you going to add all the factor payments, so that is wages, rent, interest, dividend, mixed income, undistributed profit, social security contribution, and corporate profit tax. All this is added. You're going to get 19,800 crores. So this is your domestic income. To domestic income, you add net factor income from abroad, you get national income. To domestic income, you add net factor income from abroad, that is 1,000, you get 20,800 as your national income. Okay, so just try to solve these two problems without seeing children, and try to solve more problems of income method, okay, from the textbook. We shall practice more in the class. Thank you.